Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe will not be governed on social media. The 18th of October 2025, Mutare, Zimbabwe, President Emerson Mnangagwa has declared that Zimbabwe will never be governed through social media, saying the nation's destiny remains rooted in the liberation struggle and not in online debates or digital activism. Addressing delegates at the 22nd ZANU-PF National People's Conference in Mutare, the president dismissed online critics as empty noise that has no bearing on the country's direction. At no point will this country be governed on social media, Mnangagwa said, drawing thunderous applause from party supporters. Our independence is a result of lives sacrificed during the liberation war. With limbs scattered all over, Pachigarro, Mnangagwa emphasized that under his leadership, ZANU-PF remains resolute in defending Zimbabwe's sovereignty and the legacy of the liberation struggle. Under my leadership, ZANU-PF will remain vigilant and not waver in safeguarding, defending, and promoting our unity, peace, democracy, independence, and for sovereignty, he said. We do not forget, and we will continue to safeguard our sovereignty, which was won through sacrifice. The remarks come as online criticism intensifies over the government's handling of the economy and governance issues. However, Mnangagwa appeared unfazed, asserting that all social media talk ends online and changes nothing on the ground. His message, defiant, nationalistic, and unapologetic, reinforces ZANU-PF's long-standing stance that power in Zimbabwe emanates from the liberation legacy rather than online movements or hashtags. Reporting by Anisu Masamvu and KUTYA Chibvuri in Mutare. Stay tuned to Zim Breaking News for verified updates on politics and national affairs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breaking stories from Zimbabwe and beyond.